still be wood carving. But for 2025, I do want to branch out a little bit. Obviously, that comes with risks, considering the sub count, it's kind of bombed since I haven't been able to carve. What would you name the pod? That's the hard thing with me. I'll always find it hard to come up with a name. Like, always, man. Always. Find it hard. Always find it hard to come up with a name, brother. Every time. Every time. I might have to open up a suggestion in the old Discord for some suggestions. I'm not sure how vocal Discord or the YouTube will be, but what did you call your carving school chats when you were there? Yarns with the boys? But then again, I want to get like people from all walks and life coming into him. Hey, what's up, shoot? No, just giving a little bit of an update before we get back into it. Yeah, I wouldn't name it yarns with the boys, but then again, we got some of the sisters that I'll be bringing on to the stream too, so I don't want to put a, how do I say it, like gender on it. How can I make this look cool? Do I make my camera bigger? Yeah, so just letting everyone know that yeah, we're planning to do something new this year. Well, that's what I want to do anyway, something new. What if I wouldn't know how to do it. Hmm. I've never I've never dual chatted before. But yeah, just letting everybody know. Yeah, I'm planning. Well, I want to plan on doing a bloody a podcast this year. Here we go. Hey, cheers, shoot. Yeah, just giving a little update on what the plan is this year, brother. Like, obviously, I'll still be doing Whakairo, which is the main thing I'm known for. But this year, personal goal for myself is to branch out pretty much. Finally watched the soda do, bro. He threw so hard, eh? Yo, JVD Media, thank you very much for the. Is that pounds? Is that the UK currency? I do apologize if it's not, my bro. It's been a long time. Yeah, brother. Unfortunately, my laptop died, so I've been using another setup to stream outside, and unfortunately, it can't really dual stream. It's an IRL backpack. Oh, it is UK. Ah, okay, yeah. Hope you're well, yo, Black Card. We're good, brother. We're good. Just yeah, jumping on the dual stream to let everyone know what I'm planning this year. Yeah. We must battle against YouTube chat. Soda Pop and lost. That's the unfortunate thing. But yeah, to those on YouTube, if you didn't hear, I'm gonna be trying a podcast out this year. It's just something new that I want to do. And the way I want to do it is I want to, would I say interview? Or have sit downs with people from the community. I don't want to, try and find big streamers that'll bring in the most views and all that. I want to start with the people that have followed me throughout the journey since I started streaming pretty much, and that's essentially what I want the first couple of episodes to be about. Is chilling with the community. Bro, what is this song? So it's something that's still in the works. What else do we want to do? Gonna try and focus more on doing collabs this year as well. That's another thing I want to do. Like, I know a lot of big streamers I know just said hit me up whenever I'm down. But we'll see how it goes for now. We'll definitely see how it goes. And I still have to plan for that subathon that I'm going to do for my grandmother. So, if you don't know, YouTube, I've been planning a subathon where all the proceeds are going to go towards my grandmother's headstone. Communicating with streamers are tough. Yeah, bro, I feel that. Sure, from H-Town, kia ora, Mr. Young Sauce. Yeah, so essentially that's what we're gonna be up to. Or that's what I'm gonna try and be up to anyway. Try and get that done. But yeah, hope everyone's been well. To all those on YouTube, if I haven't said it already, Happy New Year's. I haven't really been able to be around my YouTube channel for the last couple of months because I've been with this kid's pretty much life. Another baby on the way. Yo, big man, you're good? Yeah, just letting everyone know what I'm planning this year. Terrible Ed. So I've been trying to figure out, like, with the carving streams, one of the bros said he was keen to be my editor, so I might bring him on for YouTube. Make a Mela, thank you for the Optimus Prime for 2 months. I appreciate it, man, bro. We are actually washed. I've dropped into the danger zone for the subs, but I appreciate the love, brother. Woody here. Hey, brother, first time chatter. Kia ora. I get the branching out mentality. I used to be MMA content, but I want to focus more on what I love this year. Yeah, bro, that's what I want to do too. Just branch out and have fun. Like, I'll always do wood carving. Like, always. That'll always be the base of my Twitch channel and YouTube. But, yeah, I want to do something else as well on top of that. I've been pretty slack with my YouTube channel, and I do apologize to those that still follow it. We've gone from like 480 subscribers to 460 now. That is purely my fault. There's no excuses. None at all. Yo, Nixie, thank you very much for being here as well. Kia ora. What's up, Pace? Thank you, Nixie Lou. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing the bro on to be an editor for me. And I think early days, yeah, I'll be paying him for the videos, but whatever gets made from those videos, I'll probably give to him as well. Hopefully we can get some traction again. I do have a second YouTube channel, but that one's just more for fun. Listening to you on my way to the gym. Oh, true. Hey, just make sure you get there safely. That's the main thing. How's the weather at home? Still haven't been there years. Still have 3 years before I can go back. Oh, where are you, Nixie? Today wasn't too bad. Just overcast and rain, pretty much. Where are you these days? Yeah, I'm not really one to do subathons at all, chat. Like, never have been. Like, there'll be the odd one every year. But yeah, we'll be doing studying abroad in South Africa. Dang! If I watch you come back over here, no, it's nice to meet you there, mate. I studied abroad in South Africa. I once finished a drink at the pub and I had a punch on with a cheetah. Hey, what up, hardhead? Can't wait to come back home. Oh, it must be cool though. Man, the sunsets there must be immaculate, man. Occupational therapist is so good. Oh, true, true. Yeah, bro. Like being in Africa abroad, eh? Like being out in the open plains. Just it's a TikTok that I've been following. They whew. Oh yeah, that's right. Sushi's from oh, he lives in Cape Town. How are you feeling about streaming in general? You think it's gotten more popular as a form of entertainment? Yep, but people when it I feel like streaming as of right now, everyone has their farming clothes on when it comes to drama. You know, drama farming is the what I feel like is the meta these days. Um, Me personally, I couldn't be like I can't be bothered trying to farm drama clips on my YouTube. Eh? That's not who I am. As if you don't know, you know the pirate drama with an OnlyFans. I've been playing WoW, and yeah, I'll be honest. I got asked about it today, and I went, ugh, I don't really care. I even got told, how come you haven't made a YouTube video about the pirate software drama? And I went, because I'm a 33-year-old man that doesn't really give a fuck about other people's problems. Yeah, bro. So, yeah, that's what I've noticed in streaming these days. Obviously, clip farming, which became a thing from FaZe Clan, and then drama farming for YouTube. But I feel like people have been doing that for a long time. It's just these days people have that tyrannid hive mind mentality to I gotta do it now and now and now. And I'm the only one out here trying to be a space marine. Oh, from the rest of the world to care about. Yeah, bro. I don't get pressed over pixels, to be honest. That'll be clipped and get taken out of context. Probably. That's just how the streaming world goes. I want to add, I have been using your carving stream and writing inspiration. Oh, see, that's why I want to get back to uploading VODs as well. Because I know there's a lot of people that study, or there's a heavy VOD community in my YouTube channel. And I need to get back to honoring that and uploading YouTube VODs, like Twitch VODs onto YouTube too. Do you enjoy that game? I'll be honest, Game Monkey, that was the first Final Fantasy I ever clocked in life. I played FF7, bro, when I was young. I was like, this game sucks. I'm going outside to find me a stick gun. And play war with my cousins. I just didn't have the attention span for it, my bro. Yeah. I wanna... My man, same year, bro. I was that kid with my cousins. I'm a country boy, eh? So, bro, we found our own entertainment from playing in the creek all day to playing war to walking up hills, pretty much. That was our entertainment. I think I might random clip of. I think I might random clip of you in GTA RP dancing. Did you? Was it the one when I was? This is purely a game YouTube community. Was this when I was dancing around the weed plants? So I missed your stream last night. Oh, I don't even know what you're saying sorry for. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. It's all good. What's up, Ural? But yeah, that's the plan for this year, YouTube. I just wanted to let you know as well. I really hope we can get to know each other better. I have a lot of questions. Haven't been home since 2012. It just feels to have friends there, you know. If you're up for it, yeah. I'm always down. I knew it was that clip. Yeah, I was like, fuck, who took this clip of me, my character dancing among the weed plants? I thought I remember that clip. I need everyone from the community, though, to smash the clip button more this year. Hey, wayward son, aloha. E taku kanaka Maoli. How are you, my brother? Appreciate you, my brother, for being here. Mahalo nui. Fun fact, my name is Kohuru. Oh, kia ora. True. A cheeky Maori living abroad in South Africa. Hey, this fella. Check you out, my bro. Yeah, I love One Piece. I'll be honest, I don't really watch it these days. Only when the cool part's on, I read it most days. Or most times. Isn't it still on break? I haven't read it since... not even gonna say. Not even gonna say. I don't want to spoil it. Yeah, be all good. Also, chat, a challenge that I've set for myself for the month of January. Yeah, it's on break until April. Oh, jeez, that's far away. Jeez, my kid's gonna be born. Holy. Yeah, chat, so in March, it's my 1-year anniversary with my wife, and in April, our third child arrives. So it is going to be a busy few months as well. But, hey, we keep going, we keep going. Mahalo nui, my brother. Just kicking back on this night shift listening to you. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Bro, I gotta ask for my Kanaka Kazi as well. I'm guessing it would be the same as Moko. Is it, frowned upon for people outside of, Hawaii or anywhere on the main Oahu to get, tatou? Because, I think if I was ever to get another one of a style from within the Polynesian Triangle, would probably be Kanaka. I gotta head out getting a haircut. Ooh, this guy. All good, my brother. Have a good one, eh? Have a good gym session, my bro. Low taper fade. Oh, not me, Dips. It's someone from Twitch. Let me move these over a little bit. Hey, Chris T, thank you for the 33 months, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate you, brother. I got rid of the mullet. Oh, true. I've always known you for that mullet, too. Yeah, in terms of the podcast chat, when I figure out layouts and whatever and how I'm gonna do it, that's when I'll start getting into it, really. But I'm so down to do it, man. It's something I'm keen to try. And if anyone has any other suggestions too, let me know. I'm still working on my Angler Night art thingy as well. It's hard because digital art is not my strong suit. So I thought of an original character while I was half asleep. Basically, a knight that fights with a fishing rod and a shield. And his ultimate is he summons the King of the Sea, which is a giant ass whale, out of a portal and just uses it, fishes it out of the portal and slams it on the enemies, and then he just dips out. So yeah, I've been thinking about that too. I also want to do... Can have a series of them, a bunch of one shots. Stick with it. Should do fine. Yeah. So if I'm to interview like people from the community, like viewers, I want to make it unique towards the viewer as well. Because everyone within, you know, within the stream over the past few years, who I've gotten to know, you know, obviously everyone's unique. It'd be cool to make it cater to each individual. Bruh. Okay, that'll do. To them and their hobbies, yeah. Things that entertain them, and I would like to do. There's like a question that I'm gonna ask everyone at the end too. I shouldn't really say it now, but it's most likely gonna be, what was your favorite cartoon growing up? Honest opinion, shouldn't be a problem at all. It'd be involved. Taught. Yeah, before like receiving it, I'd like to learn about it first, like the proper way. We would like learn about it, your fellas' designs as well, so I know can learn to appreciate, learn how to appreciate it more. Being, you know, Polynesian as well. But I give the message, yeah, brother. Yeah, so in my tribe, one of our kaitiaki or sacred animals, or I think you guys call it amakua. I could be wrong. As the hammerhead shark. Went out for it, but we still talking about, yeah, still a little bit. How's your rocks? Fuck you. To get a feel for them, then set the cope up. Like, yeah, bro, what's up? Is it Joseph? Joseph? I know some people use the J as an H. How to be good at New Zealand? What do you mean by that? I don't know what you mean by that. Like the country or English? I'll be honest, bro. English is my second language. I was pure dog water at it when I was young. I never knew how to speak my own language. Yeah, I'm planning on doing a TikTok video as well, chat. About my sister as well. Yeah. Hey, what up, chef? Got listening to your culture, much respect. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I want to get back to sharing that a hell of a lot. How to be good at. So, Aotearoa, so the native language in my country is Te Reo Maori, or Te Reo. And that's pretty much what I speak majority of the time on the stream as well. And I spoke English when I was young, and I was talking with a bit bush English. Bush English, yeah, nah, I understand. You mentioned Zoe's pod earlier, man. I know who edits for him. I can let him know. Oh, I just like one reason why I mentioned Zoe is because these people that, you know, don't like being on camera, and I kind of want to do the same as him too, because people that don't want to be on camera don't have to feel obliged to be on camera as well, and we can either do it live or offline. I'm gonna give that option to what would you call them? The interviewee? Is that what you would say? Put an avatar to represent them. Yeah, pretty much. Just put OG Mudbone on everyone, all the bros in the chat now. We'll put OG Mudbone as all the boys' avatar. The one when he's sitting on the bed. How shocked that I didn't realize until I was 20ish we had Maori who were English as second language. Pretty damn cool, actually. Friend didn't speak English well until pretty much me the same too, Tiny Pirate. I was exactly the same. I couldn't speak proper English till around that age. I used to love the hunting Aotearoa show. Speaking of hunting, we are doing a full immersion. What's that hunting game you told me to play, chat? I've been asking my uncles if I can use all their like hunting gear to put in the background, and I'll, you know, camo up and get hunting geared up to. Ultimate. What was that hunting game called again? Call of the Wild. That's it. Yeah. What games do you play? I have been really heavily addicted to World of Warcraft Hardcore. Absolutely love it. GTA RP as well. What else have we been playing? Marvel Rivals, but it seems like my damn PC don't want to open the game after the update, which is a bit shiitake mushrooms, which is really shit. She told me her uncle spoke Te Reo like Shakespeare actor, but English like bulletin. Yeah, bro. So this part I think is recorded offline. Yeah, because I was one of his episodes as well. Bro, I had to wake up at 5 a.m, but I'll do anything for that guy. I got nothing but love for Zolo, even though, you know, he doesn't know it. Because it was him, Mateo, and Paris that made me really enjoy RP again. At a point where I was getting a lot of hate from people within NoPixel as well. Bro, because I wasn't online doing bank jobs when I was a hang around for another gang. And game by the way. And there was the point where I was ready to quit GTA RP altogether. And then one day my boy got a lot of love for this guy too. Solikifs. Solikifs is his name. And he was the one that said, come and hang out with me and Zolo and Mateo and everyone. And for that whole week, that's when I genuinely found my love for GTA RP again because of those three. And this is just a character thing for my character that they don't do. Other than Junior, my character sees those three as his family as well. So I had to deal with that. Solikis Junior, yeah. I got a lot of time for that guy. I watched him a hell of a lot before I even started streaming too. So a lot of kahuna. I think the best way for me to learn is I want to learn the language first. I think it would be best to start from the root of the culture being the real. Yeah. I have to sit down with you one day, my bro, and a call, and we'll just, if you're keen, and just have a call, yeah. Junior's awesome, bro. I saw him step out there, Ricky Riz guy too. Like Carver's met him, and I mean, he thinks of him as Mr. K's personal ball licker. He just seen him and let's kiss ass. But yeah, that's as far as it's going with what's his name? Ricky. Pity's Tiki Tour was pretty good also. Yeah, bro. What else? Yeah, that's just how my character sees him. And I want to get the T unlock for Junior stepping up to Ricky Riz as well. He's no me in RP. I'm a freaking T Goblin, man. That's why my character sees Benji Ramos as his uncle. Especially with the tattoos as well. Would there be any way on how I might interview you about your carvings and tools for my writing? Yeah, just call a day. Bro, I will legit not have a stream day to have a yarn with you. Best way to contact me is through Discord though. Yeah. I'm slowly, I'll be honest, I'm slowly moving away from Twitter. It's just the cesspool. I
need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Hardhead, thanks for giving us up, man. Yeah, Discord is probably the best way to contact me. Where's my thingy-majiggy? How do you find your name? Oh, so just type in Brox and you'll see like this random troll picture like this. That's my profile picture. That I drew that because I was bored. Twitter needs to crash and burn. I can give you my Discord. Yeah, just link it. The olelo, yeah, I get you. I struggle with my language too because these basics. And then there's my family who have accent. Oh, okay. Sitting down and teaching you what I know. Oh, but it's more that everyone else has. Yeah, one of my mods, she's from Hawaii as well. But she never tells me when she's online, you know, because she's too busy playing. What the hell does she keep playing, chat? New World. Yeah, she keeps playing New World. So Jiggy, if you can hear this. Nah, I got nothing but love for the sis as well. Have known her for a while. Damn rude. Yeah, I see her as I genuinely see her as a sister. Thank you very much for the gifted man. Okay, YouTube, I do not want to yap too long. But yeah, it was mainly just to catch up with you guys. See how yous are. Apologize once again for not being around on YouTube. And yeah, just letting you all know I'm gonna be uploading edited videos, but also I'm gonna upload the VOD as well. We may as well double dip, eh? Get a cut up clip and get a VOD as well. So that's something we'll have to do too. So for now, YouTube, I am gonna finish up. Thank you very much to far out 18 people watching me. Holy shit! Yeah, I'm uploading VODs again. Cause why was he looking? Won't even let me allow your comment, bro. Fine, not like it's my channel at all. Twitch ambassador, by the way. Bruh. Yeah, pretty much, yeah, try and get some clips and shorts out. I think the best, like, edit style we can do for, like, carving VODs is time lapses. Time lapses is probably the only thing. And then cut up, you know, maybe certain bits within the stream that may have been funny. But, yeah, we need to do that. Love from Cambodia. Thank you, Erika. Well, for now, YouTube, I am going to finish up. If you want to carry on watching the stream, I'm over at twitch.tv/Brox_, okay? Appreciate you all, YouTube. Have a good one. And, yeah, I want to keep busy this year. Until, hey, aroha nui ki a koe taku para. Much love, my cuz. Mahalo nui. See you later, YouTube. Before you go, look at that cool desktop of Aragon. Oh, Giga Chat.